A confident name does not equal investor protection. LivingTradeCapital.com presents itself as an online broker and investment platform, suggesting access to global financial markets and structured trading services. The branding is polished and uses financial terminology designed to inspire trust. However, in the brokerage industry, presentation is secondary. What matters is regulation, transparency, and verifiable legal status. Without those elements, any platform may represent a serious financial risk. The project operates under the domain livingtradecapital.com and appears to position itself as a broker offering trading opportunities, possibly including forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, or CFD instruments. While the website may refer to professional tools, advanced analytics, or high return potential, these are standard marketing phrases. They do not confirm regulatory oversight or compliance with investor protection standards. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at registered.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at cisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with livingtradecapital.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In financial markets, the absence of confirmed supervision is a critical warning sign and may indicate an unlicensed broker. A regulated broker must comply with strict requirements. These include segregation of client funds from operational funds, minimum capital reserves, routine reporting to regulators, and participation in compensation schemes in certain jurisdictions. An unlicensed broker is not required to provide these protections. If disputes arise, including withdrawal issues, investors may have no independent authority to turn to for enforcement. That dramatically increases exposure to financial loss. If the platform offers CFD trading or leveraged instruments, the risks multiply. CFDs are complex derivatives allowing speculation on price movements without ownership of underlying assets. Leverage amplifies both gains and losses. In regulated environments, leverage for retail clients is restricted to reduce systemic risk. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, rapid capital erosion becomes far more likely. In many CFD models, the broker acts as the counterparty to client trades, meaning the broker may profit when clients lose. Without regulatory oversight, this structural conflict of interest remains unchecked. Corporate transparency is another decisive factor. A legitimate investment firm clearly discloses the legal entity operating the service, provides a verifiable company registration number, lists a physical office address, and publishes comprehensive client agreements and risk disclosures. If livingtradecapital.com does not provide independently verifiable corporate information, investors are effectively sending funds to an unidentified operator. That scenario significantly increases the probability of fraud. Technical factors may also raise concern. Many questionable investment platforms rely on recently registered domains, privacy-protected WHOIS records, and template-based website designs. While privacy protection is not illegal, financial intermediaries managing client capital are generally expected to operate with maximum transparency. A limited domain footprint combined with no confirmed licensing significantly increases the overall risk profile. Several warning signs commonly associated with an investment scam may be present: lack of confirmed regulatory authorization, absence of a recognized supervisory authority, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection framework, high-risk leveraged trading instruments, and potential withdrawal issues in case of conflict. When these indicators appear together, caution is not optional. To avoid similar fraud risks, investors should verify every broker exclusively through official regulatory databases. Always confirm the exact legal entity name and domain in the FCA, CISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA registers. Never rely solely on certificates or regulatory statements displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Be cautious of guaranteed profit promises, unusually high returns, or aggressive account managers urging immediate deposits. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not pressure clients into rushed decisions. Vague legal language, unclear ownership details, and generic website structures should be treated as serious red flags. In conclusion, livingtradecapital.com cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with potential high-risk trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust and investor protection. Without it, the risk of fraud, capital loss, and unresolved withdrawal issues increases significantly. A professional design may look convincing. Real security begins with verified regulation.